Hey guys, it's Casey Storm Girl here. So, Missouri's under a bipolar day. It's dropping down into the 30s as we speak. It is 1:35 in the afternoon. It's starting to sprinkle, and then it's going to turn into rain and snow at night, starting around 6 o'clock or so. I'm not quite sure how the roads are going to be just yet. They are talking about blizzard, wind conditions, so I'm not quite sure about how the visibility is going to be, so that's TBD. But if you have to, go ahead and get stuff now, so that way you're bunkered in and everything's going to be okay and you don't have to go anywhere. Now tomorrow, guess what's going to happen? It's spring, and it's going to actually feel like spring. So I don't know what's going on with this weather, but it's crazy. We're going from hot to snow to hot. What's going on here? So I'll keep you guys updated as the day goes. As of right now, everything's okay. It's just misting outside. It is 42 degrees, so it's dropping pretty quickly. So I'll keep you guys posted and updated, and we'll post today and update the same thing. I'll keep you guys updated as much as I can, so that way you guys are weather aware. Stay safe, Kansas City!